There are grand challenges that the engineering profession is facing, complex challenges, challenges involving human beings. And it's so very important that we help to define the future of our industry. And that future is increasingly characterized by diversity, by equity, by inclusion and belonging. I'm Karl Reid. I'm the Chief Inclusion Officer at Northeastern University. So I serve as a co-chair of Enable, the advisory board for the ACEC Research Institute. And in that role, I help to shape the future agenda, the research agenda of the ACEC Research Institute. The Institute should provide the blueprint for engineering companies to follow to create the built environment that is equitable, that is inclusive, that ensures that the work that's been done is culturally competent as well. I would love to see the Institute develop a strategy that helps define the future of the engineering profession in such a way that it becomes more agile in its learning, in its understanding of the built environment, and its understanding of human beings and the cultures they represent. The firm of the future is not a static entity. It has to be agile. It has to be much more environmentally sensitive, much more inclusive, much more ethical, much more technologically savvy, as well as much more aware of the future of the workforce.